What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm dropping the most powerful Hostinger n8n coupon code you'll find anywhere online. This isn't just any coupon. My exclusive code gives you a whopping 20% discount on all Hostinger plans, plus a free .com domain on top of that. Regular coupon codes out there, they only give you 10%, so you're literally doubling your savings right here. I've dropped all the discount links in the description and comment section, sorted by country so you get the best price in your local currency. Just click your link, land on Hostinger's official site, hit the services button in the nav bar, and you'll see every plan available. My 20% discount works on all of them. For today's video, I'm walking you through the self-hosted n8n setup on Hostinger. You'll see plans like KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm rolling with KVM2. At checkout, your discount and free domain apply automatically. No code to type, no hassle. Pro tip, always sign up with a fresh email to maximize your deal. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's automate everything with n8n.